Well, I have to reteach myself how to cast here. There's a guy in a boat. There we are. Whoa, that's a good one right there. Boy, he hit that hard. Come on, stay down there. Come on. Whoa, he's a keeper. Whoa, yeah, that's a good 3-pounder there, Larry. Yes, sir. That's a good 3-pounder. Yep. Grabbed it right there on the... Wow, that's a nice fish. Okay, I've been kind of curious here to see what this guy weighs. I finally found my scale. No, 2. About 2 1/3. Yeah, well, I thought it was a little bigger than that, but still a nice fish, huh? Pretty happy with that. Okay. There we go. Wow. Right there. Yeah. Right next to the shore here. Come on. Come on. Oh, a nice bluegill. Oh, man. That's even nicer yet. Wow. That surprised me. In a good way, for sure. Wow. He don't mess around. He bit that thing pretty hard. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that, huh? Nice fish. Wow. Haven't caught one of these in a long time. This is not going to be an easy task getting this out of him. You can tell right now. Oh, no. We're good.